How to add a network server on MX Player. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a network server on MX Player. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the MX Player application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application installed yet, you can simply install it through Google Play Store. And once you install it, open up the application. And once you open it up, you will land on this interface. Now to add a network server, from the bottom of this interface, there is a menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. That will take you to the next page with bunch of menu. So as you can see on this interface, there is an option or menu as local network. Tap on that. Now on this page, there is a plus icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Now here you have to enter the server details. So first of all, type in the name of the server, and under that you have to type in the IP address or host name of the server, and under that enter the shared path. And once you're done typing in the server details, tap on connect. Now check if the connection to the server is successful. If the connection is successful, the network server will be added to the list of local networks in your MX Player. And that's how you can add a network server on MX Player. That's all for this video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.